What's the difference between SoloVPE and FlowVPX? Concentration measurement is a key critical quality attribute at almost every stage of the downstream process, either in batch release testing or for in-process control. Many functional groups within the biopharma companies are dependent on this key measurement to ensure quality and safety through the process, including quality control, analytical development, process development, and especially in GMP manufacturing. In some cases, samples are taken to QC labs, and sometimes measurements must be taken right on the manufacturing floor or at line. The CTech SoloVPE system will provide real-time data in less than 2 minutes without sample dilution. The CTech FlowVPX system provides in-line, real-time, continuous data, allowing scientists to monitor and control specific stages of the workflow, including but not limited to chromatography, UFDF, formulation, and fill finish. CTech analytical solutions strengthen your process control with high quality and highly reproducible results. Regardless of which system meets your needs, the revolutionary variable path length technology at its core allows you to generate accurate results every time. The SoloVPE system and the FlowVPX system provide a simple, foolproof, and effortless solution for concentration measurement, allowing for seamless method transfers from site to site and to external partners.